Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Viewers and subscribers, yeah man, still up on the ground, yeah, alright, up on the plantation in the morning, yeah, it's all about preparing some banana sucker to plant, you know what I mean, and some cocoa sucker, so you know you have to dig them out, put them aside, make them go and stale, but I have a medicine for them, what you have to do before plant them, you know, because there is some worms inside the ground that like to feed on these banana roots. And when the worm them feed on it, some plague, when them feed on it, when the plagues them feed on it, it don't give the banana much nutrients to grow. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna show you shortly what's going on with the banana sucker. Alright, stick around, don't move. There's a lot more to forward. Yes, my viewers, don't watch the big pot. You know, say me is a herbal man, so me always have me herbal a boil. Yes, you can see, just cut out this banana sucker here. As you can see, I paste it up with the ashes. It is very good for it, alright? So this one, lately dig out. I'm gonna do it also in the ashes, yeah? So, at the plantation, always burn fire. Fire is good, you know? And if you, like right here, I'm gonna plant some vegetable here. So, I'm gonna dig up here. I'm gonna burn some fire here first, yeah? Burn, 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 burn. Yeah, that means I have a lot of ashes here and burn dirt. And then I'm going to mix it with some goat doodle and some chicken doodle, yeah. I'm gonna mix it up and with some sawdust, yeah, to get that soil moisture, because I'm gonna plant some vegetable here. Alright? No fertilizer, no chemical in this farm. So after reaping out these, after 3 months and reaping out these cocoa, I'm not going to plant them back here. Alright? So as you can see, right here, it's going to be some vegetable here. It is right against my kitchen. Yeah, right against my kitchen, my viewers. So you know, you just come out the kitchen, you just pick something, alright? Yes. As you can see, that is a fowl coop lately built. Yeah. So I have some common fowl laying over there. But the coop is very small. I'm making a bigger coop for them, alright? So yes, my viewers, as you can see, I'm started to back round. Yeah. So like how I'm in the hoods here, yeah, because I love the hoods, you know. I cut some stick and drum them, yeah. So I'm gonna use them for backup around this area. Alright, my viewers. Yeah, because as you can see, animals. Alright? The animals are around. So I have to do some backing up. Alright? So right about now, I'm gonna come to this tree and go back. You know, I have to get the animal them out of the plantation. Yeah, so we can do some little backup. You understand? Alright? Yeah. Get out some goat, pig, fowl and all those things. Alright? And cow. Yeah man, for real. Yeah, my viewers, after back up here, I can plant something over here. You know what I mean? Back off the cub here. some planting and banana tree gonna plant around here and cocoa. On the side here, I'm gonna cut the side a little wider and plant some banana and so forth there. Also, yeah man, you have to back up somewhere, you know, because the animal them so dangerous. Yes, my viewers, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Stay tuned. After jamming these sticks, I'm gonna lay some longer stick across. Yeah, longer stick across to keep them in one position. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's all about the fencing. Have to back up somewhere. Have to plant. See? See? Yeah. Find the hole. You know what I mean? Yeah. It is nearby the ackee tree. Yeah, I killed this ackee tree lately because too much ackee trees here. I need some sunlight to come in, so I get rid of that tree. Okay, so there's a hole there. Alright, so I'm gonna fix that one. Alright, stick around. Yeah, my viewers, going inside of the woods here now to look a long piece of stick to go across the top to keep them in one place. Alright, so yeah, must can find a tall stick over here. Alright, my viewers, stick around to see what's coming next. Yeah, inside the wilderness here, trying to find a tall stick. Yeah, one that look tall, don't it? Yeah man, yeah man, that one over there look tall. Yeah, but that is hacky. Hacky is kind of too easy to break, you know what I mean? You need something stronger. I need something stronger than hacky. This one is very tall here. It is hacky also. Yeah. See if I can find a maca wood or something. Oh. Just hacky tree here. Just hacky tree. Here is a nice lime tree here. And as you can see, yeah, I put a little engraft on it. Yes, so soon as a couple of months and this sketch start to send out root through the plastic, I can just cut it off and plant it, and that's it. It start to bear same time. Alright, here my viewers, it's all about just plant and bearing at the same time. Alright, still searching. I need a stick like this, maca stick here, very strong, but a straight one and very tall. Like all of them cut out. Seems like all of them cut out, my viewers. Oh, let's see one here. See one here. Wonder if it's tall enough. We'll go around the other side to see what's going on. Yeah. Can't find. Seems like I have to go back around. I have to go back around here. I have to go back around here, my people. Yeah, my viewers, I have to use this one. Right now, this is the best one I see right here. Yeah. Yes, my viewers, still in my backyard, you know what I mean? My backyard is fruitful, you know. Yeah, my backyard is fruitful, alright? See our next one there. Yeah, my backyard is fruitful. It's all about bakings. Yeah, or something to put on the fish, you know? Yeah, sea mass fish. Yeah, man, right, that's what I think there. See? Yeah, as you can see, good to go. Yeah, doing some fencing here. Yeah, man. Backing out all those goats and those pigs, yeah, all those animals that come to eat my plant. Yeah, I have some bell pepper here, some lettuce. Yeah, looking nice, looking good. Yeah, this is a TV back. This is a 40-inch TV back. Those two are 32-inch. Yeah, you notice everything I do, I always use the back of a TV, don't it? Yeah, all right. Fencing look nice. Yeah, man. Back out some animal that I can do some more planting. Because I have some plant sucker to plant around here. And banana sucker. Right? Yeah. And some cocoa sucker. Yeah. So it's all about farming. You're there home, man. You must can cut a bunch of banana, a bunch of plant. Don't it? Right? That's the thing, them people. The next thing again, I can stay right into my kitchen and watch to see what's going on. Don't it? Yeah. Right, Jamaican Farmers Hut, my people. Stick around. Alright, my viewers, you don't know it's all about planting, you know. Yeah. So if you just a tuning channel, my name is Ever Slick, alright? There's a lot more to come. So continue to watch the channel. If you want to watch a next video about farming, you can watch this video here. Or instead of, you can watch this one over here. Alright? Peace and blessings. I'm out.